Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel CloudOps Champion. So in this video we will explore TFLint, which is a Terraform linter. So what is Terraform linter? So basically whoever is writing Terraform code, they might come across Terraform linter. So what is Terraform linter? So linting is the process of using a static code analysis tool to identify potential bugs and errors, then syntax errors, and then finding suspicious constructs in your code. So the term basically lint comes from the Unix utility lint, which was used to analyze C code for errors. And the tool which we are going to explore in this video is TFLint. So TFLint is a framework for Terraform that helps developers catch potential errors and improve the overall quality of their Terraform code before deployment. So let's get started. So here I have few things in my notepad. So these are the prerequisites we need. So first we need to install a package called Chocolatey and then TFLint. Then we have to configure a file called .tflint.html. In this file we will be adding configurations and then we have to run TFLint. So I'll just quickly do this. Let's so basically I have Visual Studio installed, and in that I have my extensions installed, Terraform, HashiCorp, HashiCorp Terraform, and then uh, first what we have to do is to install Chocolatey. So I'll just go to my browser and type install Chocolatey. The first link which you will get, just click on that. Then uh, if you scroll down, you will see generic individual Ansible. So I am using a Windows 2019 data center server. So I will be using individual. I will install the Chocolatey package using PowerShell. So here I will follow these steps to install the Chocolatey. First, what you need to do is open your PowerShell, Windows PowerShell, right click it, run as administrator. Once once it's opened, then go here and copy this code, then run it here and enter. Let's wait for a few minutes. So it's installed now. It took me a while, like it took 5 to 10 minutes to install this package. It's dependent on internet connection. So basically, it can take less than that as well. So note here that I have restarted my machine to install this package because in background it also installs .NET framework. So don't cancel anything or do anything like if it is taking more time to install, then let it installed. So once it's installed, you can to check if it is installed or not. You can type choco -v. So you can see I received and output 2.2.2, which is the version of this package. It means the package is installed. Once this package is installed, we have to install TFLint package. So go back to your browser and type install TFLint. So to go back to the proper link, scroll down, you will see a link with Chocolatey software TFLint Terraform Linter 0.5.1. You have to go to this link. Click I understand. Then you can see Terraform Linter and scroll down. You will see this Python command. Just copy it and go to your PowerShell and then paste and enter it. So you will be asked, do you want to run the script? Type yes. So TFLint is successfully installed. Once both packages are installed, TFLint and then first Chocolatey and then TFLint. After that, before that, if you want to verify like TFLint is installed or not, type TFLint -v. So you will see this message TFLint version 0.5.1, and then these are the rule set. So go back. So once the both the things are installed, go back to your Visual Studio Code. Create one new file like main.tf. So in this, we will put some Terraform code. So I'll go to my browser. I'll go to Terraform official documentation for Azure. Here I will search for Windows. So copy this Terraform code and paste it here. Once this is done, just save it, and then you also have to add Terraform provider. Scroll up, copy this block of code, paste at starting, save it, click terminal, new terminal. Then to verify if both packages are installed or not, type choco-v. So basically why I'm getting this error is because I already opened this Visual Studio Code and later I installed both these packages. So I need to reopen this Visual Studio Code. Then I'll be able to see the reflection, reflect if my packages are installed or not. So basically I'll reopen it. I reopened my Visual Studio Code. I'll type clear to clear the terminal. Why it's not clear? Anyway, so now you can type choco-v. Now you can see you got the output as 2.2.2, which is a version of the package. Now check for TFLint as well. Yeah, so both the packages are already installed. Now I'll type clear. I think there's some issue. Anyway, so what we have to do, we have to create one new file .tflint.hcl. Here we have to write our configuration. So first we have to install uh, Azure package, Azure RM package. So once you created this file, I'll go to my notepad where I have few things present here. So this is the plugin for Azure RM. This is the source. So here all of the Terraform linters rule set for Azure RM are present, and this is the version of it, and this is to enable this package. Then first you have to add this block of code for to understand this, to basically let Visual Studio to know that you are using Terraform. And the second one is plugin for Azure RM, that you are using Terraform for Azure. Both, if both the things are installed, sorry, I mean both the things are added, go to your terminal, type TFLint hyphen hyphen init. It will install Azure RM plugin. Once you see this message, it means Azure RM package is installed. Now you can type TFLint. You can see one issue found. So let's analyze what is the issue. So it's giving me a warning: Terraform required version attribute is required. So it's saying me that in your main.tf you you can add, it's not mandatory, but you can add required version block of code. So I'll just for example I'll add it. If I run it again, now my warning is gone. If I remove this, it will again throw me the warning. Okay, so this is one example. Second example is, let's suppose uh, I am using an invalid size. If it is standard F2, I'll just make it as F23, something like that. If I save it and I'll run TFLint command again, it will say me like, it will give me error, one issue found, error, standard F23 is an invalid value as size. So what it does, it will go to this reference GitHub URL where it has rules set for Azure. In this file, Azure RM Windows Virtual Machine invalid size, it has all of the details configurations which are the sizes in Azure we can use. So that's how it validated like I am using an invalid size. So if I change it back to the previous value, my error is gone. So this is one thing. So if suppose I don't want to use this required version, okay, and then I'll run it. So you'll see one warning. So in case If you don't want to see this warning, like you don't want to use required version, but you also don't want to see this warning. So if you want to suppress this error issue, so what you can do is go to your TFLint configuration file. Here you have to write one line or two line of code rule. So if suppose so this is a block of code where I have mentioned Terraform required version enabled false. So enabled false means I want to disable this warning. So if we want to basically disable any warning, like if you are getting two issues, three issues, and all of those are warning or error, if you want to ignore it, you have to you have to copy this text like terraform underscore required version, and then create a block terraform underscore required version, and then curly braces, type enabled equal to false. So by default it's true. If you want to disable any warning, if you don't want to receive those warnings, then you can do this. So let me save it and then run it again. So now you can see now I am not able to see these warnings. If I remove this, I got the warning again. So this is how TFLint works. You can use it in your organization or anywhere you have any requirement where you need to validate or uh, check your code, Terraform code. So yeah, that's it in this video. Please do comment and let me know like you liked or not, what things I can improve, what will be my next video. And yeah, thank you for watching. We'll meet in the next video.